Hi, my name is Serge and I'm the PR manager of Tree 7 Company. The Tree 7 Limited was founded in 1997 and is currently one of the biggest tree processing companies, delivering the wood from Finland to Europe. From carefully grown, solid northern coniferous timber, we produce quality product for clients from more than 40 countries. Our tree processing factory uses the latest technology available in the industry and is considered the leading factory on the European market today. We only produce eco-friendly product and look after the climate of our planet. Progressive technology, qualified staff, and desire to provide quality services to our clients, all of these factors guarantee reliable deliveries under any circumstances. We decided to create an online resource in order to give everyone an opportunity to become our partner and help us develop our business around the globe. Regardless of your location on the map, you can always invest and receive stable return. We offer you the best online service, flexible terms of investment, as well as a wide variety of opportunities with guaranteed income that is only limited to the size of your deposit. The Tree 7 Limited developed a specific investment plan that will be generating income for you daily while increasing your revenue level. Your deposit can be anything from $10,000 to $100,000. During the calendar days, you will be receiving 3% from the amount of your deposit on a daily basis. There is no expiry date for your deposit and we guarantee instant payments. You may also receive additional income by inviting others to use our investment platform. Our referral program offers you a two-level system. At level 1, you will receive 12% of the deposit made by your partner and 5% from his total income. At level 2, you will receive 3% of the deposit made by your partner. We aim to develop strong and long-term relationships with our clients and investors by exceeding their expectations and gaining their trust. Tree 7 Limited offers a great possibility to earn passive income by investing and taking part in our partnership program. Tree 7 Limited, the quality in detail.